Looking for a high-quality, pre-owned sports coupe? Check out this 2013 Subaru BRZ Limited Coupe 2D, now available as a dealer-certified pre-owned unit. This sleek, performance-driven vehicle comes with an impressive dealer service history and recent service valued at over $660. We've just completed a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, including a cabin air filter, and rear shocks. Plus, this BRZ is backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles, with the option to add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We've road tested this BRZ for over 52 miles, and our computer scans show no trouble codes or warning lights, just pure driving pleasure. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will affect the CPO status and warranty. So, act fast to take advantage of this exceptional offer. Come see us today and drive away in this fantastic Subaru BRZ. Your dream car is waiting.